Hi everyone, my name is Benjarong Pikulthong. I'm the second year student studying in English major, Faculties of Humanities and Social Sciences at Rajabhat University. Today, I'm going to show you about how to pronounce the sound k and the sound g. The sound k. Open mouth, lift base of tongue. Pat tongue against base of throat. Let throat down with a puff of air. The sound g. Open mouth, lift backs of tongue. Pat tongue against back of throat. Turn voice on. Let throat down with a puff of air. Below is a list of words that vary only by one beginning with the sound k, and the other begin with the sound g. You can use the list of passage, the sounds, or add a list of words to be careful in pronouncing. K and g are pronounced with identical mouth position, but k pronounced without using the vocal cords and with more air release. Here are 5 examples. Let's start.
せーのでもそんなんじゃダメもうそんなんじゃほら心は進化するよもっともっと
Hello, my name is Namisha. I'm from Australia. So I'm just going to read these 5 examples. So came and game, cave and gave, could and good, craze and graze, cuff and guff.
私の中のあなたほどあなたの中の私の存在はまだまだ大きくないことも分かってるけれど今この同じ瞬間共有してる時間
Thank you for watching. Bye.
でもそんなんじゃダメもうそんなんじゃほら心は進化するよもっともっとそうそんなんじゃやだねそんなんじゃまだ私の